All right, we are going to be solving another interesting question under circuit analysis, which the question says we should find the equivalent resistance between terminal A and terminal B. All right, so if you look at this circuit clearly, you are going to observe that this is our two terminal, right? So if current enters into this terminal, if current enters here and the current enters here, so you are going to observe that different current will flow into this and this, and different current will flow into this and this. So it means that the four resistors, they are all in what? In parallel. All right, so it shows that we are going to say 1 all over R equivalent will be equals to, okay, let's arrange our work clearly first. All right, so it shows that 100 ohms is parallel to 300 ohms, which is parallel to 300 ohms and parallel to what? 100 ohms. All right, so it shows that our R equivalent, that is 1 all over R equivalent, will be equals to 1 over 100 plus 1 over 300 plus 1 over 300 again. So we need to rearrange this carefully, so that 1 over 300 plus 1 over 300 plus, sorry, this is supposed to be 100, plus 1 over 300 plus 1 over 100. All right, so the LCM here is going to be 300. So it shows that 1 over R equivalent will be equals to, the LCM is 300. 100 in 300 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 300 in 300 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 300 in 300 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 100 in 300 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So it shows that 1 all over R equivalent will be equals to 8. 8 all over 300. So if you take the inverse of both sides, we are going to have R equivalent to be equals to 300 divided by 8. And 300 divided by 8 is what? It's nothing but 37.5. So our answer is going to be 37.5 ohms. So here is the solution to the above question. Mind you, don't forget, if you want our materials on what you just watched and all other subsequent lectures on circuit analysis and thermodynamics and other courses that we have treated on our channel, all our materials are ready. Just need to place your order by going to our description. You click on the link directly to our WhatsApp, or you can send us a direct message on our email. We are going to respond to you in no time. And peradventure, today is your first time of coming across our content, do well to give this video a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video like this, you'll be the first to receive the notification. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to also share with your friends who might be in need of this. Thank you. Stay tuned.